Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. French floral bathroom, DIY projects. Transforming your bathroom into a charming French floral retreat doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a few creative DIY projects, you can infuse elegance, romance, and a touch of vintage Parisian style into your space. From delicate floral accents to soft pastel hues, these ideas will help you achieve a dreamy feminine aesthetic. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, these projects are simple yet impactful. Let's explore 7 delightful ways to bring French floral charm into your bathroom. Add instant French flair by creating your own floral wall art. Look for vintage-style frames at thrift stores or flea markets for an authentic touch. Print botanical illustrations or press flower designs on high-quality paper for a timeless look. Arrange the framed prints in a gallery wall or place them above the vanity for a focal point. For extra charm, lightly distress the frames with white paint for a shabby chic effect. This easy project adds sophistication without overwhelming the space. A floral shower curtain can set the tone for your entire bathroom. Choose a light fabric with a soft pastel floral pattern for a delicate French vibe. If you're feeling crafty, stencil or paint your own design onto a plain white curtain. Alternatively, use iron-on floral transfers for a no-sew option. Pair it with a lace or ruffled liner for extra romance. This simple update instantly transforms your shower area into a dreamy escape. Give plain bathroom tiles a French countryside makeover with hand-painted floral designs. Use porcelain or acrylic paint to create small roses, lavender sprigs, or daisies on the tiles. Stencils can help if you're not confident in freehand painting. Seal the designs with a waterproof sealant to protect them from moisture. Even just a few accent tiles near the sink or bathtub can make a big difference. This project adds a personalized artistic touch to your bathroom. Collect vintage-style glass perfume bottles for an elegant French touch. Scour antique shops or repurpose old glass bottles with pretty labels. Fill them with lightly scented oils, or leave them empty for decorative appeal. Arrange them on a mirrored tray or vanity for a luxurious feel. Add small dried flowers inside the bottles for a delicate botanical touch. This effortless decor idea brings instant vintage glamour to your space. Elevate plain bathroom towels with delicate floral embroidery. Choose neutral or pastel towels as your base for a soft look. Use embroidery thread to stitch small flowers, vines, or monograms onto the edges. If embroidery isn't your strength, try iron-on floral patches instead. Roll or fold the towels neatly and display them on a ladder shelf or basket. This subtle detail makes everyday linens feel special and luxurious. A small dried flower wreath adds rustic French charm to your bathroom door or wall. Use lavender, roses, baby's breath, or eucalyptus for a fragrant and pretty display. Secure the stems with floral wire and hang them with a silk ribbon. You can also place mini wreaths around candle holders or vanity mirrors. Dried flowers last longer in humid spaces and require no maintenance. This natural decor element brings a touch of Provence into your home. Infuse your bathroom with a light floral fragrance using homemade sachets. Fill small linen or lace pouches with dried lavender, rose petals, or jasmine. Place them in drawers, on shelves, or near the bathtub for a subtle scent. Embroider initials or floral motifs on the sachets for a personalized touch. These also make lovely gifts if you want to share the French floral aesthetic. A simple yet effective way to enhance the ambience of your space.